Hey everybody, it's Shannon and Tricia here. We are doing a 2020 cookie drop.
Yeah, it's our client appreciation event because 2020's thrown us some challenges and we haven't been able to see you all in person, so we thought we could safely bring you some cookies that we had specially made from you from Sweet Kiwi Cookies here in Grand Junction. It's a simple way for us to say thank you for all that you've done and for supporting us, and that we wish you the best in the following year and a happy holidays.
All right, happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
See you later.
We are finally ready to start delivering cookies.
I know. Client cookie drop, first time 2020. Had to come and get creative this year with all of the curveballs it's thrown us and thrown everybody that we know.
As you know, we love doing client events. That's kind of been our MO for the last couple of years. And unfortunately, just with everything going on, we haven't been able to do it. So this is a way for us to show our gratitude to all you, and we really hope you enjoy these cookies.
We sure do. It's great, and you'll be pleasantly surprised. We supported Sweet Kiwi Cookie, a great local business here, actually located in Orchard Mesa. So they made these cookies all from scratch, and the special cookie that you'll find in the middle is hand painted by them as well. So shout out to Sweet Kiwi Cookies. Thank you so much for helping make this event possible, and we hope you have some fun watching us deliver these. We have 150 trays to get to today, so we'll see you soon.
It's going to be a full day. So
it is.
Talk to you later, everybody.
Bye. Last one, Shan.
Ooh,
I know.
150.
150. That calls for our secret hand.
Oh.
Good. Come on, Shannon.
All right.
Oh, all right.
Anyway.
That was fun.
Yeah, that was a good time. So thank you, everybody. In closing.
Yeah, we hope that you enjoy those grateful cookies. So you looking out on your front porch, they'll be there waiting for you.
Yeah, and happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Yeah, and holidays.